Hi there, this is Bob Pillay from Cornerstone Law Offices. Today I'll be talking about the importance of estate planning and what actually estate planning consists of. A lot of people get confused between financial estate planning and legal estate planning, so I'll touch a little bit more about that. Okay, so let me start off with some of the common issues as a lack of estate planning that we see in our practice. We often see people who pass away or intestate without a will, and it creates a lot of issues within the family, within the siblings, and a lot of other issues as far as cost is concerned, trying to do the estate administration of the deceased person. So we at Cornerstone, obviously we encourage people to have the estate planning done prior. You don't have to be elderly to get your wills, your power of attorney and advance health directive done, because life isn't guaranteed. You never know what's around the corner. So anyone over the age of 18, as a matter of fact, should have some of this important estate planning document in place. So will is the first one. Your will are your wishes that you need to if in case of a situation where you pass away, what would you like your estate to be divided to, or who would you like your estate to be divided to? That's one of the aspects. Obviously, there's a lot of other estate planning side. There's a testamentary trust. There's a complex will that you can be done. But all this depends on at what phase in your life, in your career, in your business that you may be, that we recommend. The second one, as part of the estate planning documentation, is the power of attorney. There's an enduring power of attorney that we often recommend people to do, and enduring power of attorney or powers of attorney is just in case you lose capacity. It doesn't mean that you have to wait till you die, or you could be away on a holiday, or you could be giving a power to someone to be able to act on your behalf. And once again, the lawyers at our offices will be able to explain specifically what an enduring power of attorney is. And the third document that forms part of the estate planning is advance health directive. So I love motorbikes, and if something did happen to me, and if I had, and once again I have got an advance health directive in place, it's a decision for me to say, you know what, I do not want to be medicated, I do not want to be on life support. So that is the important document, and once again, there's certain people obviously who do not believe in it, may not be something they'd like to do, but yeah, it's an important document to be aware of, that it exists, and that forms part of your legal estate planning documentation. So estate planning is not just one document. It's done in conjunction with maybe your accountant if you've got a business, and your financial planner, but these are the legal component of estate planning documentations. So we at Cornerstone Law Offices, if you've got existing will that you haven't had a chance to look at, whether there was significant change within your family or within your career, you may have bought or sold, you may have retired, so anything significant that happened in your life, we often get people to review their will if they've got it. If you don't, then get one made. You know, we are happy to sit down with you and give you an idea of what kind of documentation you need, and also if you've got one, we can review it based on what you tell us, and we can legally tell you whether it is compliant to what your wishes are. Okay, so I know a lot of information about estate planning, so get in touch with us. If you like this information, or you know someone that may need help with their estate planning documentation, get in touch with us. cornerstonelawoffices.com.au. Visit us on our website or like our Facebook page, and follow us for more information to come.